For quite a while I wanted to visit this city called Ordu in the Black Sea region of Turkey. Having visited this beautiful city, I came up with a list for you to travel when you come to Ordu. Here are 8 places you need to visit when you come to Ordu. So we just arrived in Ulugol and I think it's one of the best views I'm gonna come across during my travels in Black Sea. That was my drone. Just kidding.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
So when you come here you can actually take a trip around the lake. It's like 30 minutes to walk and you get to enjoy this amazing view. It's also a great place to take some photos.
Ulugol yapayım mı Burak?
Ne yapayım?
Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
Another beautiful location on our list is Ohtamis Waterfall. I have never been here before, but I know that it's an amazing place during the fall. So if you're lucky, we're gonna see some amazing colors. And also if you're lucky, I'm gonna be able to fly my drone during this rainy weather and show you some amazing clips of this waterfall. So without further ado, let's go to the waterfall. After enjoying the views of waterfall, we hit the road. If you travel here during the autumn, I think you will love the road trip because it's full of colors and beautiful sceneries like this one. And moving on to the third place on our list, Persembe Plateau. Now I'm gonna show you a beautiful plateau, which is called Persembe Plateau. It's full of greenery as you see, and there are like rivers, you know, going along the whole plateau. Now I'm gonna take my drone out and shoot some videos, and I'm gonna show you how this place is. It looks nice, right? Let's up the drone game a little bit with FPV drone. When I switched to my FPV drone, I saw an eagle cruising next to me. It was an amazing experience to fly with an eagle. I have never done this before, and it was pure luck. Now, on to our next location, the castle of Unye. Unye Castle is nearly 2,500 years old, dating back to Pontus era. The castle is on a hill of 200 meters height. In there you can find chambers, king beds and altars. And you get to enjoy an amazing view from the castle itself. Okay, the next place on our list is Cape Johnson. Sorry, was it Cape Johnson? Gotta quick check. Is Cape Yason, which is a historical place near the sea in Ordu. It's like 20-25 kilometers away from the center, and it has a beautiful view. And there's a church here, it's called Jason's Church. If you want to get a better understanding of this place, you can actually read this. We actually came here to watch the sunset and enjoy this place a little bit. Hello from a beautiful day. Right now we are in Uzunkum plage. Hello from a beautiful day. Right now we are in Uzunkum beach. It's very calm. I'm pretty sure it's not always like that because in Black Sea we always have huge waves, but not today I guess. If you want to enjoy the beach in Ordu, you should definitely come here because the water is very clean and neat. I really like it, but as you can see right now there's no one here. That's because we are in autumn right now and it's pretty cold. So I just realized the fact that those rocks over there looks exactly like a T-Rex. When I flew my drone, I noticed that the rock formation looked exactly like a dinosaur. Or maybe it's just me, I don't know. But if you have a different idea of that rock shape, write down in the comments, I want to hear it as well. So now I'm gonna show you that rock shape and then you will be like, oh yeah. Cruising along the coast of Ordu, we go to our number 7, the Persembe district of Ordu, which is labeled as Fitta Slow, meaning the slow city, where you can just chill and enjoy the atmosphere. Here you can find beautiful coasts, a chill atmosphere, museums, and exhibition halls. That's why I find it worth visiting. And the last place on our list is Boztepe, also known as Grey Hill. I recorded what I was gonna say here, but I recorded everything in slow motion mode. That's why there's no sound, so I have to dub myself. This place offers a unique view of the town. You can have a panoramic view from up here along with a nice Turkish tea. And you can also use a cable car to go up to this hill from the city center. This sums up our list of 8 places in Ordu. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, please share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to my channel for more of these contents. And I will see you in the next video. P.S. Next time I gotta make sure the video is not in slow motion mode. See ya.